Have you ever wished for an AI image generator that just works, every time, with precision, clarity, and in stunning 4K? Today, we're diving into Higgsfield Nano Pro, the newest pro-grade image engine powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model. Built for creators, designers, marketers, and anyone who needs professional, production-ready visuals, Nano Pro takes AI image generation to a level the industry hasn't seen before. From fixing anatomical errors to perfect text rendering, this engine ensures your images are clean, precise, and ready to use. And the best part, you can generate unlimited images for a whole year. Let's check it out. Once you open Higgsfield.ai, sign into your account. On the dashboard, you'll see all the tools like Explore, Image, Video, Edit, Character, Sora, and more. For today's topic, we're focusing on Nano Pro. Click on it to access the page and start creating professional AI-generated images. Once the prompt box appears, you have a couple of options. You can type your own idea. For example, a futuristic city skyline at sunset, neon lights reflecting on wet streets, 4K, cinematic, photorealistic, or a serene Japanese garden with cherry blossoms, koi pond, sunlight filtering through trees, 4K. Alternatively, you can click Random Prompt to automatically generate a creative prompt. For our first try, let's use Random Prompt to see what the AI creates automatically. The AI will fill in a prompt for you, which you can review or edit if needed. Next, set your aspect ratio and resolution to 1K, 2K, or full 4K, and click Generate. In just a few moments, the AI will render a fully corrected image with clear text, accurate details, and realistic objects. First, click the plus icon to upload up to 8 reference images at once. 2. Choose Nano Pro for realistic results, stylized models, and more for creative looks. 3. Select aspect ratios. 1:1, 4:3, 3:2, or 16:9, perfect for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, ads, or wallpapers. 4. Quality options. 1K, fast and affordable, 2K, 4K. Total flexibility for every project. Let's try something fun. A golden retriever puppy wearing a tiny wizard hat, sitting on a floating book with magical sparkles around, cozy library background. Hit Generate. And within seconds, the AI produces a magical scene. Realistic fur, sparkling lights, and a cozy library backdrop. You can now save, regenerate, upscale, or edit the image. Upload 2 new reference photos, Scarlett Johansson and Ethan Carter. Prompt: a professional tennis player in a white outfit serves the ball with intensity, while beside him, a legendary soccer player in casual attire cheers enthusiastically. Stadium lights shine brightly, and cameras capture the moment. Select 16:9 aspect ratio and 4K quality, then hit Generate. The result looks incredibly natural with perfect lighting and expressions. Click Animate. Select your model and duration, then hit Generate. In just a few seconds, your video is ready, featuring smooth, lifelike movement with realistic gestures and lighting. Upload 3 new photos. a man named Alex, a kitchen counter, and a fruit basket. Prompt. Alex stands in a bright kitchen, picking a fresh apple from a basket, examining it with curiosity and a smile. Hit generate. And Alex blends perfectly into the kitchen scene with realistic shadows, lighting, and perspective. Animate it for smooth, natural motion. Click Animate. Select your model and duration, then hit Generate. In just a few seconds, your video is ready. Featuring smooth, lifelike movement with realistic gestures and lighting. That's the complete workflow for Higgsfield Nano Pro, generating images from a single prompt, batch processing uploaded images, and applying creative adjustments. Remember, Higgsfield offers unlimited Nano Pro generations for 1 year, giving you endless creative freedom. Check it out here, Higgsfield.ai. Like, comment and subscribe for more AI tutorials and creative tips.